Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use LinkedIn for freelancing clients. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use LinkedIn for freelancing clients, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your LinkedIn. Once you have tapped open your LinkedIn, to get freelancer clients on LinkedIn, you need to optimize your profile with keywords and testimonials. You need to simply consistently create valuable content and make content about your niche. You need to actively engage with potential clients and industry influencers, strategically connect with decision makers, and use search to find companies needing your specific skills. You need to turn your profile into a client magnet. So if you're gonna add your branding, if you're gonna add your niche and your personal growth on your LinkedIn, you can use LinkedIn for freelancing clients. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.